Hi, my name is Rebecca Ritchie, and this is Classroom Management Chapters 11 through 20 of the book How to Be an Effective Teacher the First Days of School by Harry K. Wong and Rosemary T. Wong. Chapter 11, How to Have a Well-Managed Classroom. Effective teachers manage their classroom versus ineffective teachers discipline their classroom. Effective classrooms have a high level of student involvement with work, clear student expectations, students know what to do and are successful, relatively little time wasted, little confusion, and little disruption. Teachers start the class immediately and have assignments posted and ready to go. The climate is work-oriented but relaxed. Chapter 12, How to Have Your Classroom Ready. Prepare the floor space, have chairs and desks ready, keep traffic areas clear, plan where to put children who are causing disruptions. Prepare the work area, arrange desks so you can see and monitor all students from any part of the room. Make sure there's no blind spots. Learn emergency protocols. Prepare student area and wall space. Leave space bare for student work. Put up discipline plans, procedures, calendar, emergency information. List daily assignments. Make sure there are enough desks and chairs. Prepare teacher areas and teaching materials. Find containers and storage. Have letters ready to send home. Have a seating plan in place. Chapter 13, How to Introduce Yourself to Your Class. This chapter had that great picture of Mr. Wong standing at his door with his hand outstretched and a huge smile on his face. Cultivate a positive reputation, and this will help students enter with high expectations. Nobody wants to be the teacher that no one wants to have. Communicate with parents and students before school starts with letters and/or calls. Greet students with positive expectations. Start with a smile and handshake. Introduce yourself and the class. This will help with that poor guy that wandered into the wrong class. Have your seating arrangement and first assignment ready to go. Chapter 14, How to Arrange and Assign Seating. People welcome people. Be present at the door to welcome students in. Mrs. Baxendale, the teacher I observed in Norfolk, was great about this. She greeted each student, and they had a prearranged password in Spanish that the students would answer. Arrange seats to expedite the tasks of facilitating roll-taking, assisting in name memorization, separating potential problem students. Have all seats facing the teacher for the first day of school. Try to avoid having students' backs to the teachers other times if possible. Chapter 15, How to Post Your Assignments. Priority number 1, get students to work. Post morning or class opening routines. Post assignments in the same place daily and teach the class where to find them. Chapter 16, When and How to Take Roll. Take roll after the students are on their first task. Don't be a drill sergeant. Take roll quickly and quietly and don't disturb the class. Chapter 17, How to Maintain an Effective Grade Record Book. Best way of tracking grades lets you see each student's results and progress immediately. Learn what results should be recorded. Attendance, absence, tardies, keep their scores, and a running total. Chapter 18, How to Have an Effective Discipline, Part 1, The Rules. Introduce rules, procedures, and routines on the very first day of school, and continue teaching them. This takes precedence over lessons. Post the rules. A maximum of 3 to 5 rules or responsibilities should be posted. Communicate the rules both verbally and written, and explain the rules. Create a work-oriented atmosphere. Chapter 19, How to Have a Effective Discipline Plan, Part 2, Consequences and Rewards. Discipline plans have consequences. Rules set limits. Students are more secure if someone's maintaining those limits. Have consequences or penalties that are reasonable and logical. Don't stop the lesson. Have a system that doesn't disrupt the class more. Have positive rewards like smile, praise, a nice note, etc. Chapter 20, How to Have Students Follow Classroom Procedure. The number one problem is not discipline. It is the lack of procedures and routines. A procedure is due a step to be learned and followed. Explain, rehearse, reinforce. Define, demonstrate all steps, don't just tell. Rehearse, have the students practice the procedure step by step. Make sure they follow the steps correctly. Repeat until all is routine. Reinforce, determine if they have learned the procedure or need more explanation, demonstration, or practice. Reteach, praise when rehearsal is acceptable. Thank you.